G'day guys, welcome to the X-Wing and welcome to another suburban stations and trains. And today we're at, I think I'll spell it right, Hartwell station on the Alamein line. If I haven't got that right, I know the guys will let me know in the comments down below. This station, I've only briefly seen this station once. During the steam train event along this line 2 years ago, as I've mentioned in previous episodes. And yeah, so we're going to have a look and see what the station's all about. And let's roll the intro. Okay, we're at the station and there's actually a train coming in on the other side. Now, this station is very similar to Upwey station, the previous episode we did on the Belgrave-Lilydale line. And so yeah, it's just going to be one of those stations. And we're walking very slowly here. And we'll definitely have a look at the train when it departs, because we'll be getting too close towards the station. But anyway, we'll just turn the camera around and we are making our way up, and that's the station in question if I've got the name wrong. And you got your city line there, and we've got the train just departing. Train driver recognised me. She probably knows, oh, so I moved down here now. And that's trains going to Alamein. And here's the name of the station. Yeah, so this is pretty unique. We're down at Burwood Station. That's where that train's going now. And that's what I mean. It's not very far actually to drive, or even to walk actually. But I didn't walk it. But yeah, something definitely different. I did filming here with the steam train event 2 years ago, just right in the same spot. So yeah, so that came up pretty good. All right, we're going to take a long walk up to the station now. Okay. Here's your MyKey ticket, and this is platform number 1. A fairly biggish station in the scheme of things, but not too big. These things here are seeing better days. They've pretty much faded, but it's 2 lines, and as I said, it's very similar to the Upwey station, but in a bigger scale. The information stuff there. There's your sitting area there. Real old-fashioned sitting area. Really old-fashioned. and yeah, it's just one of those real big stations, like lengthwise, and that's we won't go down there, but you can see what's down there. A little area where you can sit, and the end of the platform's there on platform 1, and that's the view of platform 1 if you're looking at the train when the train comes in. Okay, we'll now go over to platform 2. It's pretty easy when these stations are pretty close together, or on the one station. Oh, look at that car. That looks pretty good. Anyway, oh yeah, you can just see, oh, you probably won't be able to see it on screen, but the next station's just up there. So the stations along this line are pretty close together. I think that's Wilson Station, I think, so that'll be our next one there. But we'll have a look here. A lot of the stuff has been boarded up on here, like I should imagine they're windows. Used to be windows back in the day, but no longer. The only window I can see is just here. We just had a look at that before, the when we were on platform 1, the sitting area. But there's the windows. You don't see too much of that on stations now these days. That's interesting. You've got the aircon going. Yeah, I wonder if there's anyone in there. That's interesting. Because, yeah, the station's not really manned for anyone. And there's your information for the what's on the train to depart and everything. Once again, here's your My Key ticket, tap on, tap off. And we won't go out in the sun, it's pretty warm today, but you can see the end of the platform there on platform 2, another seat and all that stuff, and then you got your parks out there and things like that. So yeah, not much for this station. As I said, this stuff here needs to probably be redone or something, because it's getting very faded. But yeah, it's sort of like, well, not a bad station, but not much to look at. And we go down here, and that's where we came from before. And yeah, so there you go, guys. So not much to sort of look at in the scheme of things. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Suburban Stations and Trains, and yeah, it was a pretty good station, and yeah, it's completely different to some of the stations we've seen. So no further ado, I'm going to take off, and as I always say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the X-Wing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content, and press like, because it really helps the channel. And also to guys, comment and share would be really great. Until next time, catch up with ya. Cheers.